Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1986 Monte Carlo SS. It's not your average Monte though. I got Tony here is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Tony? How are we doing today, Tony?
Okay.
So you bought this how long ago? 4,000 miles? Second owner, right?
Yeah. I got, it's over 26,000 dollars on it.
Wow. Beautiful. Paint was done, what, 15 years ago with like no miles on it?
No miles. Nothing.
No expense spared? Spent $7,500 on the stereo alone, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful.
75%. 75.
Brand new BBS wheels wrapped in BF Goodwrench tires. Stroker motor, 383.
Yeah.
That was just rebuilt too, right?
Brand new.
Wow.
100 miles.
100 miles, that's it?
Swear my mother's baby.
Awesome. When he bought it, he put, what, 4,000 miles when you bought it? You put the seat covers on it? You haven't seen the regular seats?
No? The car came brand new with the force, with those
Oh, really?
covers.
Oh.
That's it. And then...
So when I took them off, they never taken off, right?
She never took it off.
Wow. Fiberglass cowl hood.
Yeah.
The paint is a Mustang color. Teal metallic. It's got some nice metallic in it. I like that it doesn't have the T-tops too. I like that it doesn't have the T-tops.
Nah, I don't like the T-tops.
Yeah, they're prone to leak, you know? Oh yeah.
This thing moves.
It moves, huh?
411 gears.
411 in the back?
Posi Rear.
What kind of horsepower on the motor?
383 stroke.
Oh, so it's 400 horse? Beautiful moldings all the way around. Always garage kept under numerous covers. How old are you now, Tony?
It's another month. No, another month. October 20. I'm 78.
Wow.
October 26 is my birthday.
Wow.
79.
79.
I had a lot of toys in my life.
Yeah. Last time we met, we were, yeah. Last time we met, I think we shot the Trans Am.
Yeah.
That was 3 or 4 years ago.
Joey was unbelievable. He's unbelievable.
Oh, Joey, yeah.
The job he does. His boss, I can't believe it.
Yep. His son Joe owns a body shop. So this was completely dismantled, taken apart and shot. All the door jambs everywhere. You'd never know it wasn't the color. Beautiful interior. Everything's original in here, right? Man, look at the carpets. Yeah, multiple. I think he's got 2 floor mats down there. Got to show you the stereo. Pretty amazing. So it looks like you got 2 10s. 2 10s. Yeah. 4 Alpine amps.
Yes.
Got fans cooling them down. 4 crossovers, 2 on each side. This thing must rock, huh? Moss, never been hooked up. Original spare on here. It's a space saver.
Yeah.
We got, what, 29,000 miles now. No. It's the lowest miles one I've ever seen.
That's right. And the motor's got 100 miles.
100 miles on the motor. So these are ADS. There's 1 in each door and 2 in the deck in the back.
Brand new motor. It's a brand new motor.
Man, look at the seats. Brand new. First time he's had the seat covers off. I like the gauges too.
Oh yeah, it's got every
Nice
everything
touch.
that's possible not to have any problem.
Yep.
Safety. You know what I
When
mean?
Joe does things, he does it right. He doesn't cut any corners. It's fired up.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Doesn't even look like anyone ever sat in the back seat. Got the APSs back there too. Beautiful, just gorgeous. Look at the detail on this thing. The rails normally are rusted underneath the seats on these cars. Seen it every time. Got the Valance on the bottom, which is pretty nice. $3,000 stall speed. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Yep. Yep. Sounds good. Sounds good, Joe. Done, Tony. There it is, 383 stroker. Power steering, power brake. 6AL. So he's got a 650 double cover over there. Right? Brand new battery. Cutoff switches right here. Headers. These are hooker headers. Steel heads. This is a fiberglass cowl hood. Fits real nice too. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.